Hello, I'm Jared. Humans Are Such Easy Prey, recorded in 2014 by Perturbator, is under the electronic music subgenre of synthwave. Humans Are Such Easy Prey, as well as other selections in this playlist, contain the elements that make up the synthwave subgenre. One element of synthwave is the use of a synthesizer and keyboard, as well as the use of a drum machine. The synthesizer can be clearly heard in the song from 1 minute 20 seconds to 1 minute 44 seconds, and the drum machine can be heard from 45 seconds to 1 minute. Another element is that it draws influence from the 80s, and in doing so it evokes nostalgia for that decade. This can be heard from 2 minutes 28 seconds to 3 minutes 2 seconds. One last synthwave element that all four of these selections display is that they were inspired by synthesizer melodies from the original soundtracks of science fiction and action films. This can be heard from 1 minute 44 seconds to 2 minutes. One thing that makes my selection unique among the others is that it contains a sample from a science fiction 80s film. This film is The Terminator, which was released in 1984.